Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe video update today. And Pepe has come down again, and this is the place where I do believe that Pepe might be ending up to go down to. So as seen in yesterday's or 2 days ago, I talked about the ascending broadening wedge, and you've actually broken below the ascending broadening wedge, and you are continuing to probably move even lower. And so for me right now, let's remove some of the drawings here, and I was expecting a retest here, so you go one touch, second touch, third touch, but it does look like Pepe is doing something like breakdown without any retest, and that's the exact same thing that happened with this pattern as well. You just broke down without any retest, and you just dropped down even lower. And even right now, all you did in this smaller time frame here, if I zoom in there, is you break below it, but you never really back tested the line itself. Now at the moment, it could be possible that you continue to go lower, and it's going to be to this channel support right now. So I'm just going to zoom out, and this is your channel being formed up. So you go one resistance, second resistance, and you literally broke above, and you never back tested it. So it does even look like a dirty retest of this trend line. So one thing that can happen is you can be looking at Pepe to come down and touch the trend line once again. So this is going to be 10,151. You are at 11,951 at the moment. So that's it. Just a very, very quick update on this coin. Nothing much, nothing fancy today. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.